What's going on YouTube? So I got my first garment rack in my store right here. I got the woman stuff on the top, the men's stuff on the bottom. Some of the stuff on the bottom is unisex. And like this right here, you guys seen this. A leopard design. A leopard design. With the bolts, the leopard bolts, and got dynasty styles on the bottom. First time I ever did it like that. I was just using the remaining scraps of vinyl I have, and then I have like kid size shirt here is unisex. Got that, and I got this shirt right here. This one right here glows in the dark. That glows in the dark. And then I got my table here, of course. I'm gonna put some more clothing racks up in here. I might buy the same one and put it like right there. Put that one there. Then I'm gonna put one over here. Put one over here, and then start putting some art on the wall. And then I made a sweatshirt in the gold cheetah. Gold cheetah. Then I did this. I gotta iron them. But got that there, and then soda hat bean. I got one left in here. Got that. Blue tank top for the ladies. This is a small. It's a small, and then I have this right here. I like it a lot. This is a 4XL tank top. A 4XL. And then I got this right here. Kid size shirt. Got this. This is like a charcoal gray. Charcoal gray. Woman stuff up here. Oh wait, this should be up here. What the heck am I doing? So then I got woman's gold cheetah shirt, dynasty styles. Got this one right here, black and gold, ladies tank top, and a leopard ladies tank top with the black. Then I got some dynasty styles, gray V-necks for the ladies. Some mediums, some extra larges. Then I got that. Some woman's 3X. Now look at my clothing rack. I got 32 products on here now. I got a Israelite garment right here. It comes with the head wrap. I got 32, I got shirts, tank tops, women's stuff. 32, I got some more stuff to put up on here. I got like 4 more things to put up on here, but I got a new design I'm about to do. It's gonna be a saying, and I think the Latinas is gonna like it a lot. So now I feel like I got a whole lot of stuff on my garment rack now. I got a lot of women's stuff, kid size stuff, and adults. So yeah, man, y'all come through. If you're in Connecticut, head over to Manchester to check out my clothing store. Dynasty Styles is blowing up, man. So this garment is denim. It's denim, it's tall. If you're like a 5'9" and higher, this is for you. This is for the men's right here. I'm gonna start getting into women Israelite garments. And this right here, of course, it comes with the ribbon of blue on the bottom with the fringes. The fringes are white. But this is denim right here, so you can rock this out. Passover is coming up in a couple weeks, so this would be a great garment. You know what I'm saying? If you're in Manchester, Connecticut, or you're just in Connecticut in general, come by my store, man. I got discounts and everything. I'll give you a good discount on a lot of the products and everything. I got sports bras for the ladies, you know. I got all size sports bras. I got XL, 2XL, all that. You know what I'm saying? So come through. Check me out, man. Check out the Dynasty. Check out what I'm building.